back to Cooking with Gloria. Today I want to share with you a very delicious green apple lemonade. It's nice and refreshing and you guys are going to love it. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. My ingredients: a pinch of salt, granulated sugar, green apples, lemons, water, and ice. This is everything we need to make this delicious and refreshing apple lemonade. So let's get started. I want to start by making my simple syrup. I have 1 cup of granulated sugar, and to this I am going to add 1 cup of regular water. Let's take it to the stove and let's start dissolving the sugar. It really doesn't take too long, but I want to show you how you could see the granulated sugar on the bottom, and it really doesn't take too long when it starts melting away. The water starts getting a little yellow, and that's perfectly normal. After a couple minutes, you will see the water nice and clear, just like this. When your water is really nice and clear, then it's time to remove it from the heat and transfer it to a different container so it starts getting to room temperature before you add it to your agua fresca. And now I am ready to continue with my green apples and my lemons. And my lemons are organic. I got them from my trees. And now I am ready to rinse one by one, making sure that I rinse them very good, getting all the little dirt and all the dirt and everything from the lemons. And now, once you have rinsed them completely through running water, then we are ready to start making and getting all the delicious juice of the lemons. I always like to start with my lemons. I like to cut them right through the center and start getting all the delicious juice. Look at this. These lemons have a lot of seeds, and for sure that I have to be careful. Now I am ready to start getting all the delicious juice out of the lemons, and this really takes a little longer time because you want to be careful. You want to take your time and get all the delicious juice from every single lemon. And now I'm going to go ahead and just put it aside, and I'm going to continue with my green apples. I like to cut the green apples right through the center so that I could take the core out of the apples. The core of the apples is where you have all the seeds, and that's exactly what you don't want. You want your apple to be nice and clean, just like that. And I'm going to do the same with the rest of the apples, making sure that I take the core out of every single apple. Once this is done, I'm just going to slice it the way I'm doing it now. And now I am ready to put them in my blender. I'm going to go ahead, add them to my blender cup, add enough water to blend it completely. I'm adding about 1 to 2 cups of water, and let's close the cup and blend it. This really doesn't take too long. Just make sure that it's blended completely. Once this is completely blended the way it is now we are ready to put it through a sifter. We want to go ahead and get all that pulp of the apple out, and we want to make sure that we get all the delicious juice of the apple. We want to take away the pulp. This is exactly what we don't want in our agua frescas, in our green apple lemonade. And now I'm going to go ahead and pour the lemon juice just to make sure that no seeds go into my lemonade. I'm going to do this and just get all the delicious juice of the lemon, but making sure that I don't have any seeds. And this we're gonna discard. Now I am ready to start adding the pinch of salt. The pinch of salt is very important because the pinch of salt really brings up all the delicious flavors of the lemon and the green apple. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and add my simple syrup, and I'm only adding half of the mixture. When you add simple syrup, you use less sugar than if you just added regular granulated sugar. I reserved a lemon, and I'm going to go ahead and slice it in very thin slices because these are going to be for decoration. Just like that, I'm going to make sure that I get all the little seeds out. The same thing I'm going to do with the apple. I'm going to add this apple for decoration of my pitcher, and at the same time, I'm going to slice it very thinly so that all the delicious juice of the apple really infuses a little more the lemonade. Look at this. Let's slice it nice and thin, and then cut them in little squares. When you're drinking this delicious lemonade and a little piece of the apple comes into your mouth, you chew it, you eat it, and it's infused with all the delicious lemon. I have my pitcher here. I'm going to go ahead and add the ice, add the lemon on the bottom, and the slices and the pieces of the apple. Now, when you add everything in here, now is the time to add all the liquid. Look at this. This is gonna look amazing, and of course, it's gonna taste refreshing. With this hot weather, you wanna, instead of having a soft drink, why not have a delicious agua fresca made at home? Look at this. I am ready to prepare my glass full of ice and enjoy it because this looks amazing and refreshing. You could really see all those little pieces of the apple and the slices of the lemon. I can't wait to enjoy this delicious green apple lemonade. I'll see you in a little bit. Completely done with this delicious green apple lemonade. You know that this is the part I really love and enjoy, tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. You know something? The pinch of salt really brought up the flavor of the green apple and the lemon. This agua fresca came out delicious and refreshing. Perfect for these hot weathers. I hope, my friends, you can make it at home. Enjoy it with your family like I enjoy it with my family. I want you to enjoy my aguas frescas at home. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. And of course, I will stay enjoying this refreshing green apple lemonade. See you on my next delicious and refreshing recipe. Bye-bye.